Welcome friends to Dynamics Tutorials, and in this Photoshop tutorial I am going to show you how you can create this circular stretch effect in Photoshop by using some selection tool, mask feature and polar coordinates effect. So how are we going to do that? For this, let's get straight into the video. So this is our picture. So first, with the help of quick selection tool, I am selecting my object. You can use any selection tool or color range for the same. So after selecting the object, with the help of Command or Control J, you can simply cut your selected object from the picture. Now we have two layers. First is our main image layer and second is our main object cutout. Now with the help of rectangular selection tool, here I am selecting some pixels of my object. After that, simply press Command or Control J just to make a new layer from the selected object. Now with the help of Command or Control T, here I am transforming the layer and stretching the layer in my whole canvas. Make sure not to increase your layer height. Convert it to the smart object. And here I am just adjusting my layer in the upper part of the canvas. After doing all the adjustments, go to the filter panel and in the distort option you can choose polar coordinates. So how this feature works, this feature simply turn your layer into a circular path. Now I am hiding this layer and with the help of ellipse shape tool, here I am making a circle around my object. Try to adjust your ellipse shape according to the object. Now I am masking the left side of my image so that I can create my circular stretch effect on right side of the picture. So here is our polar coordinate layer which we have converted. So I am converting this layer again into a smart object so that I can change its height and make it a perfect circle. After doing all the distortion part, simply right click on your layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now what this will do, this will simply embed your polar coordinate layer into the ellipse shape which we have created earlier. So this is our circular stretch effect. For some additional detailing, you can simply add drop shadow on your main object. Just double click on your main object and choose drop shadow. Make sure to make the shadow's angle on the right side, not on the left side. So that's it for today. I hope you have learned something new from this tutorial. If you did, like this video and also smash the subscribe button.